Welcome. In this video, we will demonstrate the release order settlement process for multi-variety commodities in the sales module. This scenario applies when a single release order is split into multiple varieties, issued partially or fully from the depot, and finally settled by the divisional manager. Log in as divisional office staff and navigate to Sales, Create Release Order. Select the commodity subtype group as raw rice, and the variety as common. Enter all required RO details such as party, scheme, quantity, and pricing, and click on Submit. Log in as divisional manager and navigate to Sales, RO list. Open the Pending tab, locate the newly created row, click on the Approve icon, review the details in the pop-up, and click Approve. Log in as Manager Depot and navigate to Sales, Add RO Multi-Variety. Select the parent RO number. Choose the required variety, enter the quantity to be split under the new variety, and click Submit. Divisional Manager, navigate to Sales, RO list, open the Pending tab, select the newly created row entry, review the details, and approve it. Log in as Gate in Charge and navigate to Sales, Create Token. Select the RO number, enter the truck number and required details, verify the quantity and variety, and submit. The Weighbridge in Charge logs in, navigates to Sales, in Weight. Selects the token number, enters the in weight of the truck, and submits. Stack selection is optional at this stage. Log in as Shed in Charge and navigate to Sales, Loading. Select the token number, enter the number of bags with remarks, and submit. Log in as Manager QC and navigate to Sales, Update Moisture for issue. Select the token number, enter moisture values stack-wise, and submit. The Weighbridge in Charge navigates to Sales, Outweight, selects the token number, enters the gross weight, and submits. The truck chit is generated, and the vehicle is allowed to exit the depot. Log in as Divisional Manager and navigate to Sales, RO Settlement. Select the RO number, enter remarks, verify the settlement cost using the system-defined calculation, and click Submit. Log in as Manager Depot. Navigate to Sheds and Stacks to verify updated stack balances. Then open Reports, Daily Reports, and DSI to verify issue data, and Reports, RO Reports to validate RO details for the selected date range. This completes the RO settlement process with multi-variety, ensuring accurate issue tracking, proper financial settlement, and consistent updates across sales, storage, and MIS modules. Thank you.